What the? Let's see if the chain loop flung off of the tire yet. Let's see. Nope. No, it didn't. That's okay. I don't know. The other bikes just freaking flew, man. They're probably already there. Oh, Mr. Police Officer, why must you ruin the fun? All right, everybody be tame now because. Look so cool. Alright boys, serious topic, man. I got an offer for the S1000RR and I don't know if I can say no. I guess I'll put it that way. I don't know if I can say no because of how good of a deal it is, I guess. But I'm really thinking, man. I'm thinking putting some thought into it, and I don't know. I love this bike though. I don't know if I can get rid of it, but it's a really good deal. I can literally go buy another S1000RR and do exactly what I wanted to it. But I don't know, man. I'm really thinking. I guess we'll see. I do like this bike though, a lot, and it's like we're at the very beginning of this bike. You know, it's freaking. It's got so much more potential, I guess I could say. It's got so much potential, and we're just barely, you know, taking a hold of it. So, I don't know. We'll see. That boy Biggie's starting a channel. If he's already made his channel, I'm gonna link it down below. Y'all go support, man. He's trying to start a channel up. And yeah, man, it's gonna be sick. Maybe we'll do some co-vlogs or whatever. I guess we'll see what happens. But yeah, man, I'm excited, bro. I'm excited for sure. It's gonna be crazy. Oh my god, that scared me. That scared me a little bit. I didn't know where to go. Good thing that guy gave me the thumbs up. Let me try and figure out where I'm going. Oh, that's where it is. All right. I was so confused on like where that was, man. I was very, very confused as to where that was, but now I know where it is. Is that a Daytona, the 3-cylinder? Hold up. It is, I think. That's cool. You don't see too many of these out. That's awesome, man. And he was ripping this thing on Treeline. I don't know if I got it. I think I forgot to click the start, like the record button, but he was ripping on that thing. And dude, those things are awesome. I debated on getting one because I saw one for a really good deal on Marketplace, but I ended up not getting it because at the time I was just looking for something that was going to benefit me to flip, right? So, because the goal was to flip and make as much money as possible, so it just wasn't the right bike to do that, you know. But it would be cool to own one day, or you know, at least ride one day. That'd be awesome, just to see how it feels, man. You know, they're all a little different, especially like there wasn't a lot of 3-cylinders, I don't think, made. But yeah. We like lost half the group. Half of them were like, you know, half of them were like doing the speed limit over there, so they just kind of got there a little faster than us. So, but it's okay. It's all right. We're all here, man. That's what matters. You know, we're all here. So. But that's the main thing. You know what I mean? That's the main thing. As long as we're all here, that's all that matters. Let me see where I gotta turn right at. A little bit of launch control. Let's see, check it out. I feel bad for the guy next to me. He was, or behind me, he backed up a little bit. Oh my God. Gotta get the content, man. Gotta get the content. I don't know if y'all been seeing on the Instagram posts, but make sure y'all go sub on the Instagram. It's Gottigix, Gottigix. Same as the YouTube. They always got Instagram sees it first. You know what I'm saying? Instagram sees it first. So if you want to be ahead, follow on the Instagram. And we're gonna keep making things happen. Oh no, not a speed bump. A speed bump is my worst enemy. If y'all wanted to know the difference between a 600 and a 1000, that's the difference. That's the difference, man. That's so funny, dude. Oh my goodness. That's so funny, man. If y'all wanted to know the difference between a liter bike and a 600 class, that's the difference, man. Wolf don't care, man. Wolf will raise anybody. That's what I love about him, man. He don't give a fuck. Wolf's calling everybody out today, man. He's calling everybody out. Is he calling out the other S1K? Is that what that look? Oh my. He's calling out the other S1K. Alright, the other S1K definitely didn't go. Oh. Oh boy. Ah. Light is bright. You good? Hey! That's fire. Man. You good, bro? You good?
My fucking rear set, bro.
What the?
What
The.
fuck. No fucking shot, bro.
The shifter came off, bro. Oh, fuck, bro.
Oh, the nut came off.
Yeah, the nut just came off.
Fucking.
Yeah, you're not gonna be able to get it on without a fucking, without a nut on that side. Yeah, I don't know, dude. Shit, I'm trying to think. Real quick. I don't know how well it's gonna work, but should we scoot
I think we should move.
let me see.
At least forward more, bro.
Yeah, you think so, right? Here, scoot this up a little bit. Scoot your bike up, and then we'll scoot up here. Let's scoot it up.
Oh, it's the fairing?
No, it's the shift lever. All right. How the hell was this sitting before? What you could do is we could put it in a high gear, right? And then what you do is you keep the clutch in on the high gear, and then you just have to. How long have you rode bikes for?
Like a week. I just got my bike there.
Fuck. It's the same shit. No, not even. You could start it normally. You're just gonna start it in gear, but I'll put you in a higher gear. That way you can actually get up to speed at home. but you'll never have to shift.
Yeah.
You'll stay in third.
I bet.
Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah, no, I get it.
That whole time.
You'll stay in third the whole time until you get home, and when you get to a stop, you'll clutch in, and all you have to do is when you get to a start, it's just gonna take longer to start because you're in a higher gear.
Yeah.
You could do second or third, it's up to you. Second, you're gonna be a lower speed the whole time there.
Yeah.
So whatever you wanna do.
I'll just do second.
You'll just do second, just go slow? Second's probably easier for when you start and stop.
Do you have all your shit,
No.
like your...
No, I don't got the hazard.
You'll be fine, just go slow.
Yeah.
Alright man, so he should be good. We told him to just ride home in second gear because that is a little sketchy that his whole shift lever broke, like his whole shift system. So we just threw it in gear, and then he's just gonna have to be in a low gear until he gets home, and then once he gets home he'll have to bolt it all back together and get everything situated. But it's not a big deal. I thought it was like, when I thought his bike just wasn't turned on, I didn't know that it wasn't shifting at all. But yeah, it is what it is. Simple fix, nothing crazy. Alright YouTube, that is the end of this video today. I appreciate y'all for watching. I hope bro made it home with the shifter like that. I guess we'll have to see next time we see him again. But yeah, no, I just wanted to thank you guys for watching and tuning in. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share, interact in some way, shape, or form. And until next time, bye.